Hello, it's your guy LP with S&W Service and Repair, and today I just want to talk to you guys about being in business, man. One of the better warranty companies has stopped the service call fee. So normally you would go to a customer's house, diagnose the problem, and receive a service call fee. Well, they stopped that service call fee, so the customer is paying that fee directly to the warranty company now and not to the service provider. And that's going to bring about a lot of heartache for a lot of service providers, because if you are strictly a warranty company based business, then it's going to present some challenges, because sometimes that warranty service fee money kind of keeps you afloat, and it's gas money or whatnot as you go out on these calls. You're going to have to be a lot more disciplined. You're going to have to be a lot more strategic in what you do and how you do it, because how I run my warranty calls may not be the same way as you. But I have a lot of cash that is placed in parts, because I don't let the warranty company send parts unless it's absolutely necessary. So I'm going to have to make sure that I am returning parts. That's one big one for me, returning parts, but also making sure that if I'm in the area, that I can go by and run diagnostics on the appliance. A lot of times I just be like, I'll just come back with all the parts. But if I'm already in the area, I'm probably going to take a second, think about that, and maybe start running diagnostics.
In 6 miles, continue on I-35 North, entering Kansas.
Before I even order parts, because I want to make sure that I have the best knowledge that I can, especially if I'm close by the car. Now, this won't change for cars that I'm not close by. I'm still going to be purchasing all of the necessary parts that I would think it would need, and then I would go to the car, because I really would like to have one car complete. But if I'm in the area 5-10 minutes away, I'm probably going to stop by there if I can. But this is a big deal, guys, for a lot of people, and I think it's going to put a lot of people out of business. It's going to start separating the people who are really running their businesses correctly. I think it's really going to give a lot more business to people who are really out here getting it and really taking care of their money management skills. You're going to receive a lot more calls. The good companies are going to flourish, and the bad companies are going to get out of there. You know, because a lot of these companies are, like in some of my previous videos, I stated about a lot of these guys just going collecting service call fees and not really doing anything. This is going to eliminate that. You got to show your work. The customer gonna have to be like, oh no, it's still not working. You know, so. And I see some other changes coming. I see some of these guys are going to start asking you to document things and start showing your work, showing which parts are bad, showing, you know, with photos and things. So some of them are already like that. Some of them, you know, aren't. But I think that some of them are going to start, because it's about money. And you're just going to have to be smart and understand the game and how it's being played, and then play it accordingly. You know, that's all it is to it. That's the only way we're going to continue to maintain the level of income and the level of customer satisfaction that we provide as a company. So guys, this is a little quick tidbit about some of the warranty companies taking away the service fee that you collect when you go out on calls. You know, it's neither here nor there. You're going to have to adjust, and there's no need of crying about it or whining about it, because you're not going to change how these companies see that they need to run their business. So you just need to buckle down, get a new game plan, get a new strategy, and make sure you are charging accordingly and doing what you need. All right, guys, you can always message me if you have anything at ks@swserviceandrepairllc.com. That's always in the description below. Shout out to my guy out of California, Jose. We've been exchanging plans for him. He just finished the ABC class. Hey guys, it's a real person back there behind that email, so make sure that you chime in and let me know what's going on if you need a little help. All right, guys, have a good one.